Ever felt like your money is constantly slipping through your fingers? You're not alone. We all want to take control of our finances, but finding a budgeting system that actually works can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. Today, we're diving deep into a popular budgeting method, YNAB. You need a budget. Is it all the hype it's made out to be? Is YNAB truly trustworthy with your hard-earned cash? Let's find out. YNAB isn't your typical budgeting app. It's a philosophy. It's about giving every dollar a job. Forget about rigid categories and restrictive limits. YNAB encourages you to live within your means by tracking every penny and assigning it a purpose. But is it really that effective? Well, the core principles of YNAB are undeniably sound. Track every dollar. This forces you to become mindful of where your money is actually going. Embrace your reality. YNAB encourages you to accept your current financial situation, no matter how daunting. Plan for the future. By assigning every dollar a job, you're proactively saving for your goals, whether it's a down payment on a house or that dream vacation. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: trust. Is YNAB truly trustworthy with your sensitive financial data? Data security. YNAB employs robust security measures, including encryption and two-factor authentication, to protect your information. Privacy policy. Their privacy policy is transparent, outlining how they collect, use, and share your data. Customer support. YNAB boasts excellent customer support, readily available to assist with any questions or concerns you may have. While YNAB offers a free trial, it does come with a monthly subscription fee. Is it worth it? Pros. Empowering philosophy. YNAB shifts your mindset from restricting spending to prioritizing your financial goals. User-friendly interface. The app is intuitive and easy to navigate, making budgeting less daunting. Strong community. The YNAB community provides valuable support and resources. Cons. Subscription cost. The monthly fee can be a barrier for some. Steeper learning curve. It may take some time to fully grasp the YNAB philosophy and implement it effectively. Ultimately, the trustworthiness of YNAB depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're serious about taking control of your finances and are willing to invest time and effort, YNAB can be a powerful tool. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.